Right, so come and join me. I'm going to have a quick walk around Hotel Los Hibiscos. It's just here. It's Playa de las Américas, and we're filming in the mid-July 2025. So a little walk around tour. I'm going to check the place out, see what it looks like. Let's go. Got a bit of car park space outside here, and then straight into reception. It's a 3-star. Go check it out. So just had a quick chat with reception. They just said, yeah, of course, yeah. Can have a quick walk around, have a look around the place and check it out. So let's go have a nosy. No problem. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. So hot today. It's not a room review, this. I'm just mooching around the hotel. Snack bar. He kind of like just between Costa Adeje and Las Américas here. Nice pool area. We've got the showtime. So this hotel next door, Albedo Star, I've just walked around that, so if you want to check out what that looks like, have a look at the playlist, and you can have a see what's going on there. That's a really big hotel, absolutely enormous. So I like this because they put the drinks out front, so you can get yourself a coffee, you can get yourself a beer, you can get yourself a glass of pop without having to queue. These rooms here have got a bit of shade, so we're filming about 4 o'clock now. So yeah, nice sun lounges, bit of shade going on. It's pretty low level accommodation, this one. Nice bar. Nice busy pool. Now I do like this. It's got disabled pool access, 100%. Thumbs up for that one. Yeah, you know, people having trouble on the pins or just getting a bit older and want to get in the water, they can. Little kids pool over here, and then yeah, spin round. Summertime in Tenerife. Very pleasant. Happy days. Right. I think that sums this place up pretty quickly. I think we've got a sun terrace going on over there. Should we go and check that out? We're going to have a look. Small kids pool here. And we're just going to have a wander. Wander this way, see what's around here. Get yourself some nice cool water. A little bit of a chill out zone going on. It's a bit quiet around here. Yeah, I think if I was staying here, I think I'd like to be in the quiet area, not the busy area. Right, we're going to go up these steps. Just making our way up the steps. Overview. That's where we just come from. These are the rooms set up. So if you're higher up, you've got a lot more privacy going on. And we're going to go up there and see what's up there. I'm thinking it's just going to be a big Sundeck, but we'll soon see. God, it's hot. It's melting hot. Yeah, it's got a nice Sundeck area. And a jacuzzi. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? A jacuzzi. Still got an ocean view. You got rooms all down here. Rooms on this side. These are plastic. These are going to be melting. No parasol for this. Wow, that's going to be hot. That's going to be incredibly hot. Whew. And there you go. Right, if you like this kind of stuff, me mooching around, talking nonsense, showing you hotels, resorts, walkthroughs, show me a bit of love, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, it's free, and you'll see more of this, more of this nonsense. Oh, I've just had a couple of €1.50 beers, so I think I need to stop and cool down again. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.